Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. I found this last week. It's a Marx 490 and its original Tinder. The 490 has a double reduction motor. That's what I bought it for, of course. Anyway, 10 bucks. So the grand unboxing has just arrived. It is a cold, rainy day here today. Let's see, how does this open? I'm not sure. I guess I'll just open the ends. All right. There is the Tinder. There is the locomotive. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Anyway, 10 bucks on eBay. There were 9 bidders. I won it. Okay, there's the Tinder, standard 4-wheel Marx plastic Tinder. Knuckle coupler on the back, tab and slot on the front. All right. The locomotive. It says it does not run. So a 490 with a double reduction motor. And I bought this just for the motor, of course. And there it is. Let me get this out of the way. Anyway, 10 bucks on eBay. It's free to turn. Doesn't appear to be any damage to it at all. Let me grab the camera off the tripod. We'll take a look at this. So as you see, Marx 490, double reduction motor. It looks like it's been recently oiled, if you can see that. So, I guess without further ado, we'll put it on the rail and see if it will run. Power coming on. All right, Marx 490 eBay, 10 bucks with its original Tinder. Let's see what happens. It runs reverse, and it runs forward. Now, it said specifically in the ad that it did not run at all. So, I think it just needs to be cleaned. I'm betting that is dirty brushes. Huh. In most cases, you can get, once you get this to run, it'll scrape the oxide off the wheels. If it's going to run. Well, it appears intact. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video. I'll have to clean the brushes and the armature. But like I said, it looks like it's been recently oiled. So someone's tried to run it, no doubt. And it is buzzing. That's better. So anyway, just a quick unboxing. So I'll pull the motor out, get it lubed and tuned. I'll do a follow-up video. Anyway, the 490 with a double reduction motor and its original Tinder, 10 bucks on eBay. So just a quick unboxing video. Like I said, I'll do a follow-up when I get this running. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.